Have you ever wondered why cross-border payments are still so complicated with delays, high fees, and endless banking bureaucracy? What if there was a way to make global settlements instant, secure, and legally compliant all through one digital network? Well, there is. It's called GOTD, short for Guarantee of the Deal, the world's first licensed DLT protocol for PSP netting. Before I tell you more about it, let me share a quick reminder. This is not a financial video and I am not a professional advisor. Please do your own research before making any decisions. GOTD connects exchanges, fintech companies, and payment operators in a single network. Already active across 20 plus countries with 50 plus hubs and more than $25 million in daily transactions. That's not theory, that's live real-world use. With legal compliance, rapid settlement, and global reach, GOTD is redefining how fintech companies handle international transactions. Let's face it, traditional cross-border payments are slow, expensive, and risky. You send funds through multiple banks, wait for approvals, and pay ridiculous conversion fees. And even then, payments can get delayed or blocked because of correspondence bank issues or fraud risks. That's where GOTD steps in with a licensed DLT-based financial netting platform designed to cut costs, minimize fraud, and settle transactions instantly. Here's how GOTD works. First, instant counterparty search. The system automatically matches your transaction flow with verified counterparties in seconds. Escrow-backed protection. Deals are secured through smart escrow. Funds are only released once both sides complete their obligations. Another one is reduced conversion fees. By directly connecting hubs, GOTD removes the need for intermediaries, saving every transaction. And simplified KYC, fully compliant without the red tape. For fintechs and exchange, that means less friction, lower costs, and faster executions, all within a legally compliant framework. Now, here's the part that makes GOTD truly different experience. The team behind GOTD has been in financial logistics since 2014, working with dozens of countries to relocate liquidity, manage fiat and crypto exchanges, and process global invoice payments. They built infrastructure moving up to $5 million per day and with partners handling over $100 million daily. So this isn't just a startup idea, it's a proven business model already operating successfully, saving money on every transaction, every USDT or BTC trade, every international payment. Now, GOTD is expanding, and they're inviting hubs and regional representatives from around the world to join the closed testing phase. If you're a fintech company, exchange, or payment operator, you can specify your currencies and regions, test the GOTD infrastructures in a secure DevNet environment, and connect with other verified hubs worldwide. And if you're a regional representative with experience in financial operations, import, export, or compliance, you can manage operations in your country with full GOTD support. They'll provide a ready-to-use platform, legal and operational guidance, access to global liquidity network, and expertise from 20-plus active countries. The countdown to closed testing has already begun, and this is your chance to join early. If you're ready to cut transaction costs, simplify your compliance, and connect to a trusted global settlement network, then it's time to join GOTD. Visit GOTD Global to apply for closed testing today. Be part of a network where trust, speed, and efficiency define every deal. Because with GOTD, every transaction is truly a guarantee of the deal. If you like this video, please don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and follow us for more. Thanks for watching.